People of Ghana, this is what we've created, my team and I, to help solve this COVID-19. So this system is the normal barrel we call anchor, and we've recycled it. And we've installed solar system that will help pump the water, and we have sensors, so we don't need to touch the tap. It brings the soap first and the water follows. So I'll demonstrate for you to see how it is done. So this is the sensor. So as the one puts the sensor, the soap comes. So this is the soap, the soapy water. We've programmed it for 25 seconds, so you'll be able to wash your hand very well. You see? So you wash your hand very, very well. And we've given you an alarm system that will prompt you that the system is still working. As soon as the alarm goes off, the water follows. Yeah. So this is how it is done. So the water comes and you wash your hand very well. So we've given you 2-in-1. The same system carries the soapy water through the same tap, and the same system also gives you the ordinary water to wash off the soapy water. 25 seconds. This is a system that we've created to help solve the COVID-19. Imagine we have this on all our streets with the Ghana flag on it. Very attractive. People will be attracted to wash their hands. The best way of solving this pandemic is washing your hands regularly. So this is what we